Wait, what was that? It's doing the Dyson Pulse. You shake it, you talk to it nicely, you even give it a little therapeutic tap. But alamak, the suction is gone. Want to see a real-life horror story from one of our customers? This is what happens when you ignore that tiny stutter in your Dyson V11. So there I was, thinking my Dyson V11 was just having a moment. It started making this weird stuttering sound, like a techno beat I didn't ask for. I thought, "Ayah, as long as it picks up the dust, can already la." Wrong. Big mistake. Huge. That little stutter was actually a motor failure screaming for help. Because I ignored it, the motor eventually seized up completely, nearly melting the internal housing. This is the ultimate heartbreak. Ignoring a faulty motor doesn't just mean a dirty floor, it can lead to total circuit damage. I'll be honest, I thought about fixing it myself. I watched one video and thought, how hard can it be? But then I realized, what if I misdiagnose it? What if I open it and snap? I'd be turning a fixable motor issue into a total graveyard of expensive plastic. The risk of a DIY oopsie would cost me more than a brand new machine. Confirmed regret. I'm a professional at making messes, not electrical engineering. So I took it to the experts at RoboCare. Smart move. Why play guess the problem and risk a DIY nightmare? Our technicians live and breathe vacuum repair. No guesswork, no anyhow fixing. Just precision diagnostics to restore your Dyson to its former glory. Don't risk a DIY nightmare. Don't let your Dyson become a piece of junk. Trust the experts at RoboCare to get the job done right the first time. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.